Good day, Yasri. First of all, I want to say thank you for trusting me and for being willing to learn something new for your future. Not everyone has the courage to start a new journey, especially while working abroad and handling responsibilities every day. Before we focus on money, affiliate marketing, or TikTok growth, I want you to understand something important. Online success is not built overnight. The people you see earning online today started with confusion, small audiences, low views, and beginner mistakes too. The difference is they stayed consistent long enough to improve. And that's exactly what we are building here, your foundation. Our goal in phase 1 is not becoming instantly rich. Our goal is building your identity, building audience trust, understanding content creation, and creating consistency step by step. You already have one important advantage. You are already posting consistently. That's powerful because many people quit before they even start. Now, we simply need to organize your direction better so your TikTok account becomes clearer, stronger, and more valuable over time. Now, for task 1, building profile foundation, let's start with your TikTok profile. Why profile branding matters. Your profile is like your digital first impression. But people follow you, they usually check your profile picture, your bio, your username, your content style, and your overall personality. People follow accounts that feel real, relatable, inspiring, or useful. That means your profile should immediately communicate who you are. Right now, your strength is your real-life journey. You are a hardworking Kenyan working abroad, someone trying to improve life, someone interested in growth, and someone trying to learn online opportunities. That's already relatable content. You don't need to pretend to be rich. You don't need fake luxury. You don't need fake motivation. Because authenticity builds trust online. Now, for bio optimization, let's improve your bio. A good beginner bio should be simple, clear, positive, and easy to understand. Let's say, for example, Kenyan in Kuwait chasing bigger dreams. Step by step, improving my future. Discipline, growth, motivation. The goal is not sounding perfect. The goal is helping people quickly understand your energy and direction. People connect emotionally before they trust recommendations later. Now, let's talk about the link on your bio. Retain it as of the moment. We can change it later when you're already an Amazon affiliate. Why? Because right now, we are building trust, clarity, and identity. And you need to remember this. Simplicity is powerful in the beginning. Now, let's go for your profile picture guidance. Your profile picture should also feel clean and approachable. And one of the good examples is smiling picture. I saw your picture, the one that I dropped a heart on this afternoon, and you can see it as a profile picture or any confident casual photo with clean outfit, natural lighting, or lifestyle photo. Avoid blurry photos, dark pictures, confusing edits, random images. So people trust faces and personality online. So even simple pictures can work if they feel real. Now for task 2, choosing content direction. Why niche clarity matters. One beginner mistake is posting random content every day. One day dancing, next day football, next day motivation, next day cooking, and next day sadness. That confuses the audience. TikTok also learns your account based on your consistency and content patterns. That's why we choose only 2 to 3 content styles first. Okay? Now, for the best content styles for you, based on your situation, here are the strongest beginner content directions for you. Motivational lifestyle, self-improvement journey, product visibility content, fashion or show content, or positive mindset videos. These are safe, relatable, and beginner-friendly. You don't need to expose restricted work environments. So you can create content using shoes, outfits, walking clips, mirror clips, gym clips. If you used to go to the gym, and motivational captions, simple lifestyle moments. Your personality becomes the brand. Now, let's go for the real content examples. Here are simple beginner examples. For example 1, walking video with text. Working abroad but still chasing bigger dreams. Like, for example, number 2, showing shoes or outfit. You can say small progress every day still matters. And for example 3, if you go to the gym, you can say, you can put a text in your video, discipline changes your future slowly. It's just that simple. And for example number 4, simple motivational talk, like no one sees the sacrifice behind the dream. So that's it. I saw your content also. There's a lot of motivational quotes there. And it's a good foundation also. And always remember that simple emotional content works because people connect with feelings. Now, on task 3, daily posting strategy. Consistency over perfection. You do not need perfect videos right now. Perfection slows beginners down. Consistency is more important. One simple video every day is already powerful. TikTok learns active creators. The more consistent you become, the more confident you become, the more comfortable you become on camera, and the more data TikTok receives from your account. Growth happens through repetition. Now we go here for simple daily content flow. Here's a simple daily posting structure. For Monday, you can post a motivational video. Anything that you could think as motivation, your motivation, a simple video, raw video, not necessarily a perfect video. For Tuesday, You can post your lifestyle or outfit clip. And then for Wednesday, you just post it in the same time, okay? For Wednesday, positive mindset message. For Thursday, shoe or product visibility. Let's say, for example, you have said to me that you want to be an affiliate in Amazon, like for the Nike shoes. If you have a Nike shoes, then you can show it even if it's old, as long as it's a Nike brand. It's a good product visibility. And on Friday, simple talking video. You could speak, say something about your short storytelling video. And Saturday, you can post a trend or dance clip. You can search it on TikTok, any trends. You can post on Saturday. And Sunday, reflection or motivational caption. Reflection is very good in every week. You could record any short reflection on your postings on TikTok. So that's it. This creates balance while staying within your personal brand, okay? Now, on part C, best beginner caption style. So captions should feel emotional, relatable, or inspiring. Let's say, for example, slowly building my future, or discipline over excuses. You can put it in your videos as caption. Small beginnings still matter, or working abroad with bigger dreams, and or trying to become a better version of myself. Simple captions often perform better because they feel genuine. Now for the task 4, understanding engagement. What to observe. Now let's talk about engagement. Your job right now is not obsessing over views. Your job is observing patterns. Start watching which videos get more views, which videos get more likes, which captions connect emotionally, and which videos people watch longer. You can watch it on your analytics. Okay? This helps us understand your audience better. Now for learning the audience, online growth is partly psychology. People stay longer on videos that make them feel inspired, feel emotional, feel curious, or feel understood. That's why your journey matters. People connect with real stories more than perfection. Now, let's understand affiliate marketing clearly. Affiliate marketing means you recommend products. If people buy through your link later, you earn commission. But before affiliate income comes, audience trust comes first, consistency comes first, and engagement comes first. Now, as I saw your contents, you disable the comment section. You need to enable it because this is the real formula. Consistency plus trust plus audience equals affiliate opportunities. That's why we are building the foundation first. Even small creators can eventually earn online if they stay consistent long enough. Before we end today's coaching session, I want you to remember something important. Do not compare your beginning to somebody else's middle. Many creators you see online today spent months or years building quietly before people noticed them. Right now, your mission is simple. Improve slowly, stay consistent, keep learning, and trust the process. You already have discipline from working abroad, willingness to learn, and a positive mindset. That's already a strong starting point. This week, focus on improving your profile, posting consistently, observing engagement, and building confidence. Little by little, we will organize your TikTok account into something stronger and more professional. I'm proud of you for taking this first step.